is now hailing. Holy crap. Damn. It is hailing over here in Apopka. Just as I started videotaping, it is hailing. Ah. There you go.